Honey.
You may got the honey, but I got the sugar.
You may got those, but I got the creamy peanut butter.
Awesome croissant. Nutella. Beans. Mitsubishi materials. Let's see.
Cream and mushrooms.
Bro, she might have made beans, but you forgot about the macaroni and cheese. What the fuck?
Creamy Italian. Cheddar cheese.
You may have the creamy peanut butter, but I got
Slice of cheese.
You may got the sugar, but I got the vanilla wafers.
Peanut butter. Oh, and it's creamy.
Mom made fucking.
Yo, y'all got all that, but I got the Kroger Italian style bread crumbs. Oh, and don't forget the Betty Crocker rich and creamy coconut pecan frosting. And I got that real patio, creamy as a bone.
I have
Gamble vegetable soup.
okay, but I have
Great volume natural spring water.
Noodles.
That goldfish.
Yeah, some Takis, man. I got some.
You may got some Red Bull, but I got some
Fanta.
You may got some Fanta, but I got some Coke.
You may have some Coke, but I got some
Water.
You might have the water, but I got the.
Simple, simple.
Frijoles de la olla. Pringles. Cinnamon Dust Crunch.
Sweetie.
Icebreakers. Ice cubes. Cinnamon.
You make up the ice cube breaker, so I have called strawberry.